Small disclaimer, everyone. This part of my video was filmed about a month after I actually did the Bohemian Faux Locs, so they do look a little more messier. Me personally, I still love the look, and I actually love it more that it looks a little more frizzier. But stay tuned, you guys. Towards the end, I'll show you guys the actual look when I was first finished. Okay, you guys, so first I started out with plaits in my hair. I did not film me doing plaits because I believe it's self-explanatory, but I do have pretty medium-sized plaits all over my head. After I put the plaits in, I did go through and oil my scalp with my Do Grow hair growth oil. All the products that I use will be listed in the description box down below. So I went ahead and started doing my Bohemian Faux Locs because I wanted to make sure that I got a good hang of it before I showed you guys how I actually did it. Okay, so the hair that I used was the Freetress water wave hair, and for those who are familiar with that hair, it does come in strands. So I took 2 strands of hair and I separated them very good, very similarly if you were doing the passion twist. So I did separate all the way down. When I first started doing the Bohemian Faux Locs, I only used 1 strand of hair and I didn't separate, and the locks were very nice, but they were small. And I wanted my locks to be a little more thicker, a little more messier because I did want the messy look. So I went ahead and used 2 strands of hair and I separated it all the way down. Okay, y'all, so once I finish separating my hair, I do get my crochet hook, and you're going to insert your crochet hook at the base of your braid, which is closest to your scalp. Once you have the crochet hook through, you're going to take your Freetress hair and you're going to insert it at the round part of the hook, and you're going to pull that through your hair as you see me doing here. Now once you have the hair pulled through, you want to make sure that it's kind of even on both sides, just so you can make sure you have around the same amount of hair. And then you're going to pull the weave to the desired length of your faux locs. So I wanted my faux locs to be very similar to the length of my hair when braided. So as you can see me doing right here, I just pulled the Freetress hair a little bit longer than my actual braid. 1, because I wanted to make sure my hair was covered, and 2, I did want that bohemian swirl at the very end of my braids, or the very end of my faux locs. Okay, next what you see me doing is you're going to wrap the Freetress hair around your braid as well as the extra hair. Wrap it around the root about 3 or 4 times just so that you can make sure that your lock is secured. Then you're going to see me just wrapping on down the braid. At first I was wrapping kind of tight, and I realized that the tighter that I wrapped, it made the locks harder, if that makes sense. I didn't want my locks to be hard. I kind of wanted them to be soft like everyone else's. So I did start to loosen up how I was wrapping, and if you can see, it came out just as fine. It actually made it a little more messier, which is again the look that I was going for. Okay, once you get to the end, as you guys can see, I'm showing you my hair as well as the Freetress hair. I'm going to continue to wrap just because I want to make sure that I get all of my hair covered in the weave. Again, this is a protective style. Once I have all my hair covered in the weave, I do leave a little bit of the Freetress hair out, again because I did want that to be my little bohemian swirl. So once you get to the very end of wrapping, I do end up wrapping back upwards, and this just helps to secure my lock in. So once I wrap back upwards, once I finish all of the weave, I am going to take my nail glue, which is the last step. I take the nail glue and I do just put a little bit of glue on the Freetress hair. Again, very important. Put the glue on the weave. Make sure that it's not anywhere near your hair because you don't want to pull your hair out. Once I put a little of the nail glue on, I do just wrap the ends of the Freetress hair around it just to secure my lock in place, and then you're finished. I go through if I have to and clip off some of the ends, just the little straggly ends. This hair does shed a lot for those who know. So once I clip a few of the ends off, that is it, and I'm on to the next one. Okay, now I'm just going to repeat the steps from 1 to 5 all the way through the rest of my hair. I'm going to speed it up just so that you guys can see. Okay, you guys, that was my last lock. I am finally finished. This style actually did not take very long. I love my results. This is my results right after I'm finished. Earlier in the video, that is my results after a month, and as you can see, it still looks pretty good, you guys. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video to someone that wants to do some Bohemian Faux Locs, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.